Hey everyone, welcome back to ENGLIO Studio with Rina and Jax.
The channel where learning English is easy, fun, and full of real-life conversations.
Exactly! And today's topic is something we all experience, being late.
Oh, I know this one too well. I've been late for work, late for parties, late for pretty much everything.
Same here. But don't worry today. We'll teach you how to say you're late in English politely, naturally, and even charmingly.
So you don't just show up late, you sound confident about it.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss an episode.
Okay, let's jump right in before we're late for our own video.
So, picture this. It's Monday morning. You're supposed to be at work by 9 a.m.
But you wake up at 8,055.
Oh no! That's me every Monday.
You grab your phone, hair's a mess, you throw on a shirt that may or may not be clean.
And you rush out the door. No breakfast, no coffee, just panic.
You finally arrive 10 minutes late. Your boss looks at you and says, "You're late again, aren't you?"
Oof, scary. What do you say? You can't just stand there and mumble, sorry.
Right? You need the perfect English phrases to sound polite, natural, and not too awkward.
Let's practice with a real-life example. Ready, Jax?
Ready. Let's do a mini role play.
Jax, you're 10 minutes late again.
Oh, I'm so sorry I'm late, Rina. The traffic was crazy this morning.
Traffic? Huh?
Yes. There was a huge traffic jam near the bridge. I left early, but the cars were just not moving.
Okay, that sounds reasonable. Please be on time tomorrow.
I will. Thanks for understanding.
That's a polite way to explain your lateness. Give a short reason and say sorry.
And never make it too long. You don't want to give your boss a 5-minute story about your cat sitting on your alarm clock.
True. Keep it short and polite.
Now, imagine you're late meeting your friends at a cafe.
Jax, you're always late.
I know. Sorry for being late, Rina. I lost track of time.
Lost track of time. That's a good one.
Yeah, it means you didn't notice how much time passed.
Right. It's polite and honest.
You could also say, "Sorry, I got caught up at work."
Meaning you were busy doing something and forgot the time.
Exactly.
What if you're meeting a close friend and you want to sound casual?
Easy. You can say, "Hey, sorry I'm late. The bus took forever." Or, "Sorry for keeping you waiting."
Ooh, that one sounds polite and friendly.
Yep, and if your friend's late, you can reply with something like, "No worries. It's all good. I just got here too."
I do that all the time. I just got here too, even though I've been waiting for 20 minutes.
That's the international code for "I forgive you."
Okay, last situation. You join an online meeting late.
Joins Zoom call. "Hey everyone. Sorry I'm late. My Wi-Fi was acting up."
Classic excuse.
Or you could say, "Apologies for joining late. I had some connection issues."
That sounds professional and polite. Perfect for school or office meetings.
And if it's your teacher or boss, don't forget to add, "It won't happen again."
Yes, That shows responsibility. Okay, let's look at some of the useful phrases we just used.
We'll explain what they mean and when to use them.
Simple, polite, and works in any situation. Example: I'm so sorry I'm late. The train was delayed.
This means you were busy and couldn't leave on time. Example: I got caught up at work and lost track of time.
It means you didn't realize how late it was. Example: I was watching a movie and lost track of time.
This is perfect when someone's been waiting for you. Example: sorry for keeping you waiting. The bus took forever.
Acting up means not working properly. Example: my Wi-Fi was acting up during the meeting.
Now it's your turn to practice.
We'll say the phrases and you repeat after us. Ready?
Okay, first one. I'm so sorry I'm late.
Good. Now, I got caught up at work.
Next, I lost track of time.
Great. Now say, sorry for keeping you waiting.
Last one. My Wi-Fi was acting up.
Awesome. You're doing great.
And if you want to sound extra polite, try adding a short reason. Sorry I'm late. The traffic was terrible. Apologies for joining late. I had a family call.
Little details make your English sound real and natural. Let's quickly review what we learned today.
We talked about how to apologize for being late in English, at work, with friends, and in meetings.
We learned phrases like, I'm so sorry I'm late. I lost track of time. And sorry for keeping you waiting.
And some great excuses. Reasons like, my Wi-Fi was acting up and there was a traffic jam.
Just make sure your excuses sound believable.
Exactly. And the most important thing, always say sorry first.
Yes. A simple, sorry I'm late, shows respect and good manners.
Now it's your turn. Tell us in the comments.
What do you usually say when you're late?
We'll read your answers and maybe use some in our next episode.
Thanks for watching ENGLIO Studio with Rina and Jax.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who's always late.
We all know someone like that. See you next time. Bye.